Hello, let's make a simple version of Arroz Caldo. A gloomy day today, Arroz Caldo is a perfect dish for today's weather. Let's start cooking by putting our onion, ginger, and garlic, then our chicken. Let's just put 4 cups of water and then simmer, let the chicken cook. I'm putting 1 cup of rice, it's already clean, and then let's just wait for it to soften and cook. And we're done! Very simple and healthy dish for today. Try this at home and comment down below if you are craving for Arroz Caldo. Thank you so much for watching!